All right, so now what we're doing is putting the cap sheet on. This is the final look. As you can see, same principle, hot mopping everything down. Guys, turn it over. You see the white granules are here. They're gonna flip it on the other side and do the same thing. So you can see that. Okay. Okay, there you go right there. Right here. So as you can see, that's not really going on. Once that's down, that's better than Gorilla Glue. Yeah. Okay, this is where you got to be careful. Grab it underneath, flip it over. Okay, so don't worry about the footprints on there because we're going to have granules that we're going to put on there. As you can see. The granules. Because it's already sticky, so it's just a matter of just sticking to it. Okay? Now you got the inside track of everything. This is what we do. This is how it is done. Okay? Get the laps, which you see over here. Yeah, it could be messy. We don't cut the edges off right now. We just wait till everything kind of like cures itself, and maybe a day we come back because we want the actual top sheet to kind of like fit in this place. Once it dries, it may shrink a little bit in terms of where it's located now. So if you cut it out too soon, you may not have the full coverage on the edges there. So I mean, everybody had their way of doing it. That's just how we do it.